This is the mystery that we are going to solve today. How to ask correct questions in English. Let's crack the scene, shall we? Let's start solving the mysteries of do and does. Do and does are the keys to solving any question. If there are so many suspects, do understand, use do when you are in investigation. You, we, they. Do you know the answer? Do they like the question? It's just one suspect, everyone. How are you going to find out? You're going to use does with the one suspect, like he, she, it. Does she know the truth? Does he like puzzles? Once you got your suspect, your subject, you just need to add the action verb. And your question is solved. Do we like pizza? Answer this, everyone. Or does he like pizza? It's solved. Now it's your turn to be the detective. Write down your questions in the comment section and hit the subscribe button for more mysteries and more clues.